Hey guys, welcome to our channel, How to Learn Tech. Are you tired of spending hours trying to figure out how to use the latest technology? Well, you've come to the right place. We're here to provide you with simple and easy to understand tech tutorials. Our channel focuses on solving all of your tech-related problems. We provide the latest tech news, reviews, and hands-on tutorials. Whether you're looking to learn how to set up a new software, troubleshoot a problem, or just want to know more about the latest tech trends, we've got you covered. Our team of experts brings years of experience in the tech industry to the table. We're always on top of the latest technological advancements and share our knowledge with you. Our tutorials cover a wide range of topics. From smartphones, laptops, cameras, and software, we've got you covered. Our videos are informative, straightforward, and tailored to your tech needs. In addition to our tutorial videos, we also host live Q&A sessions. Have a tech question you need help with? Simply ask us, and we'll provide you with the answer. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel now and join our community of tech enthusiasts. We'll keep you up to date on the latest tech news, review the latest gadgets, and help you solve your tech-related problems. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new tutorial videos. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you soon on How to Tech.